Hi, this tutorial shows you how to create a complete animation clip in Unity. So firstly, let's go to our project. Today we will be animating a chest. You can use any 3D model you want, but you need to split it in different parts for animation, just to record it for different parts like lid here or this chest. Yeah, so let's add new tab near to console, which will be animation. Let's select our chest and just click create animation. Here we need to name our animation. Okay, so we created a new animation. Now we need to select different things that we will be changing in animation. You can change everything you want, but we probably just need to create a lead animation for this chest. So we will be changing all values like position, rotation, and scale in transform component of this lead. Now you can see already if we click this record button near to preview, we can just record these keyframes which are responsible for position and rotation and scale in our animation. So let's create something. You can see we can move this pointer and our animation is playing and we can stop it anywhere we want. This animation is interpolated between these keys, so we can probably move them a bit and that will change the situation. You also can just use any kind of data in animation like materials, mesh changing, or any object, set active true, set active false. Yeah, probably you can do everything in animation. But remember that animation requires some CPU memory, so the less we use, the better. So I just use these three parameters. Now you can see this lead is moving, but it's moving a bit wrong. So let's just pause this something like this. Yeah, I like it. We can make it a bit more quick, maybe a bit more fast, or a bit more slow if we want somewhere. Yeah, I like it. So we also probably need to scale it a bit somehow. Yeah, here it must to be greater and smaller. Yeah, like this. So you can see this animation is playing now. Probably we can turn off this record mode. And here we also can find our animation. We need to create a new animation controller for it, or just select an object and drop our animation. It will create automatically this controller in our inspector. So here it is. We have this nicely animation with our chest. Hope you like this video, so just like and subscribe. Now you know how easy it is to create an animation in Unity.